A sigh is just a sigh. The fundamental things of
Wow, it's really dark in here. Can I get a little light, please? Oh, whoa. Thank you, thank you. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. You might not know this, but this is one of Hollywood's oldest studios. And for the past century, Warner Brothers has been making movies, TV shows, music, video games, all the entertainment you love right here in this very location. I mean, not in this room exactly, but all around us. Actually, watch this. You'll see what I mean.
I need you to help me make a fake movie.
Came to the right place.
Hey, Stella!
Hurry, please. We have so much time and so little to see. Wait a minute. Like that. Reverse it.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
The stuff that dreams are made of.
What did you just say?
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe.
I'm looking for someone to share in an adventure.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Look at this. This place is huge. Over 110 acres. There are 35 acres of backlot, 30 sound stages, hundreds of offices, workshops, bungalows, a gas station, a firehouse, and a gym. We even have our own Starbucks and a coffee bean. This part of the studio is called the front lot, where most of the business stuff happens between studio executives and lawyers and agents and lawyers and lawyers and lawyers. If you listen closely, you can hear them negotiating. The front lot also includes the sound stages and the mill, where thousands of creative people are busy working to bring new ideas to the screen. The sound stages were originally built for movie production, but many of them are also home to some of the most beloved TV shows of all time.
I'm a sober man.
Bazinga.
These shows travel the world from our home here in Burbank and are seen by millions of Earthlings all around the planet.
¿Lista? 1, 2, 3. ¡Cumpleaños feliz! ¡Mr. Bean, no arukikata!
正解です。
So wollten auf der Highschool die Girls nichts von uns.
Sehr unbeholfen und schräg waren und keinen Sport machten.
Wieder richtig!
And this is the Ellen stage where we shoot my daily show. Warner Brothers is a very special studio, and it's not just for the shows or the movies that make it special. There's something about the place itself and the people who work here, and I'm not the only one who feels that way.
It was 7 of the best years of my life, working with some of the best people.
The sense of the place and the great filmmakers who've preceded you here and everything. It's very inspiring.
Being on this lot and looking around these streets and beautiful sets and all these sound stages and thinking, wow, this is where they made those movies that I was in love with as a kid.
The back lot is where we shoot exterior locations. The sets and facades there have been turned into thousands of different locations, from the crowded city streets of New York, London, and Paris to a deserted jungle island. So, are you ready? You're about to get closer to the entertainment you love. You know, the entertainment like this.
And here we
Go ahead. Make my day.
The other police, where are your badges?
Where's your car, officers?
Yeah.
All right, everybody act cool. Brace for impact.
Round up the usual suspects. If they move, kill them. That'll be the day. arm and a little kiss.
Oh, God! You're a funny guy.
Here's Johnny.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
This is going to be such an exciting day. I hope you enjoy it. I think you will.
All right, y'all, give it